this video. I'm Rylan, Angela is in the camera, and Jose is over there. And let's go. So we're going to be pranking people by asking them, what is somebody blank here? We're going to ask, is Bucky Buckerson here? I'm going to go to this red house over here, and I'm going to ask. Ready? Let's go. Hello, and we are back. Now we are at the red car house. We're going to ask right now. Let's go. Oh, hi. Is Bucky Buckerson here?
Who?
Bucky Buckerson.
Bucky Buckers?
No, Bucky Buckerson.
No.
Okay, that was funny. What's this? We are going to ding dong dick someone. We are going to ding dong dick someone. I don't know who yet though, but let's just do it. Let's try and hit 100 likes and subscribe to this channel, or else nothing's gonna happen. Okay.
Really, Sherlock? No.
What's house? Okay. Let's do eeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, moo.
No,
Picture.
we're doing that. The house is down that street, dummy.
No.
Yes.
Fine, let's do it. And now, we're going to ding dong dick this house right here.
Hurry up, go.
Let's have fun.
Hurry up, go.
I'm sorry. Let's just go. Let's just get go. Ready? Okay. That was fun. Now, I want to thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm sorry it's so short. And we are going to try and get 100 likes on this video. So hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Let's go for 10 subscribes this week. And let's just do this. Thank you so much for watching again. Peace.
It's a blind